Hi there, today we are going over some basic words when disagreeing with someone. The easiest way is to say no, ei. If someone offers you, for example, food, but you are already full and want to refuse politely, it's ei aitäh. Maybe in English it sounds arrogant, but here we use the phrase Tänan, ma soovi quite widely, and it's normal expression when you are offered something you don't want. Tänan, ma soovi. If someone asks you to do something or are you going somewhere, but you are not able to, then it's ei ma saa. If you are sorry you can't go, you may say also kahjuks ma ei saa. If someone asks whether you are going to the event but you're not, then ei ma ei lähe. If you are arguing on some topic and you want to express your disagreement very clearly, one way is to say ma nõustu. If the meeting time isn't appropriate for you or even clothing doesn't fit you, you may say see ei sobi mulle. For example, if someone asks you, are you mad? And you want to say, of course not, it's muidugi mitte. That's all for today. Thank you so much for listening and see you next time. Bye!